Many kanji learners don't know how kanji was made. What is it? How can we use it in 60 seconds? Let's go.
It will help us figure out a better way to learn kanji. There are 4 types of kanji origins. Shoukei-moji is a pictograph. A kanji represents an object. This kanji represents mountain. This kanji is a tree. Kanji-moji, indicative. A kanji represents an idea, similar to shoukei-moji, right? Kai-moji, combine the meanings of 2 kanji to represent a new word. 2 trees are woods. Kokuji is Japanese-made kanji. Japanese use the Keisei-moji method to create Japanese words. Mountain, up, down, mountain peak. Keisei-moji. Look at this kanji. One part represents meaning. The other part represents a Chinese reading of kanji. If we look at entire kanji, Keisei-moji is 80%. What does it mean? If we learn kanji in this order, we can learn kanji efficiently. I put everything together for you. Let's learn kanji together. See the caption for more.